Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Fusion. Stock number is A8002. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back as well as rear backup sensors and dual point exhaust. Taking a look in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.